EuropAce Humidifier EHM219 has a 3-in-1 functions which can be used as an ionizer, aroma diffuser and humidifier. Rotate switch either to turn on ion and moisture, or ion alone. Open the aroma tank cover before adding the essential oil. User may have the option of switching the light on or off as shown. Water indicator light will illuminate when tank is empty. First, remove the output nozzle, followed by the water tank as shown. Unscrew the cap to fill with water. Tighten the cap once it has been filled up. Empty leftover water from the reservoir before using the soft brush to clean off mineral deposits and debris from the nebulizer.